In this lecture, we are going to learn about groove feature in Catia. First, make some 3D part. Select YZ plane, sketch and draw a circle half inside and half outside. Now select groove feature from here. Make sure sketch is selected here. Now select the axis about which you want to make groove. Select this vertical axis. Now you can see that it make a groove in 360 degree about the vertical axis line. Click on preview, zoom in to see clearly. In this way, we can create a groove on any body. We can also change the angle of groove from here. Make it 180 degree. Now see, groove is changed to 180 degree. Make it 90 degree and give second angle 10 degree. Now see, this profile is at 10 degree and this one at 90 degree. You can also select reverse side. This will reverse the groove area. You can also reverse the direction from here. Now groove will appear in opposite direction. So this was the groove feature in Catia.